Number 5,000.
This is our second one.
Screw you! It needs more drops, like one more
Try put 2 more.
for a cold start. It needs 2 more. There, that's better. Perfect. Screw. How does my dad do it?
He's stronger. No, it's down there. Why is it doing that?
Toilet. Alright, I think my dad's back. Think? Let's go.
Could be your grandma.
Yeah, could be. That means all the poop is going there. And it
Seriously?
spilled on my feet once.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Ew.
1, 2,
nasty.
jump like a crazy guy.
That was so
Almost.
gay.
Almost.
Put 1 more drop.
1 more drop, okay.
And then that makes it exploding.
It won't explode, really. It'll just...
Oh yeah. There is the man who made the first attempt to, well, how do you... He is making his way.
What the hell?
That's hilarious.
That's really hilarious. You know what? I'm not gonna do it anymore. Okay, I just wanted to. Can we stop the video?
You said there was poop.